Hey everyone, a very good evening. Welcome to your very own favorite channel. So, we all know what today's session is going to be. It's about a quiz on data handling, and I'm assuming that everybody is well prepared for it. Before coming for the quiz, we have seen the sessions that we have already done. We have practiced a lot. Is it so? Yes? Hey Mayank. Yes. Abhi nahi mila. Oh. I know. Krishna. Ritika, hi Raj, Shikha, Dia. Good evening, Prisha. Prisha is new here. Yeah? Hi Palak, good evening Rakesh. So meanwhile we are talking, quickly join the quiz. You know the drill, right? Just go to menti.com and use this code 96652641. Quickly everybody join in and let me know in the chat that you have joined. Dia has already joined. Hi Salman. Sanju, I can see some new names today over here. Quickly, now that we haven't started with the quiz yet, quickly share this the link with your school friends, in your school groups, friends, so that others can also join in. It's going to be a lot of fun then. Yes, already you have got 2, Mayank. Wow. Yes, Rakesh, I do remember Uvia. Okay. Rakhi. Yes, everybody quickly join it. Dia has shared. Quickly. Yes, Raj. Wow, and that's actually an achievement, isn't it? Yes, quickly everybody share it in your friends group, school group, so that others can also join in. It's going to be more fun. Just think about it. Your friends will also be joining the quiz. It's going to be really healthy and a very amazing competition. Menti code, yes, KGVV. It's 96652641. Yes, Yuvraj. Oh, Palak, उसके लिए तो wait करना पड़ेगा. Yes, Ankit has shared. That's great. Hi, Manasvi. Quickly, everybody join it. Yes, Rakhi has joined. Yes, that's the code, right, Shreyasi? Yes, Dhruv, I do remember. I can see that a lot many people are now joining in. Disha, wow. Yes, results are out. Wow, that's amazing. 98.2%. Wow, awesome. So Disha is one of our students from the last year's 10th grade batch, and she has managed to got 98.2%. Wow. Congratulations, Disha. Yes, everybody quickly. Abhishek has got 30 on 30 in maths. That's amazing. Good evening, Rupchand, Hajra. Hi, Tijil. Khalid Amir. All right. Anik, I think others are able to hear me. Oh, yes, Sanvi. I was actually trying to recall that you said something yesterday and it starts from S. Wow, Ankit, amazing. 99.33%. Hello, Santosh, Adhiraj. Lot many people are now joining. Quickly, everybody join the quiz using this code and let me know that you have joined. And once you join it, it will redirect to you to a page wherein you have to fill in your details. Details as in your name, your grade, your telephone number, your area pin code. Everybody, good evening, Apsara. Yes, we are going to start another few seconds. I'm waiting for everyone to fill in the details. Quickly do that, and once it is done, just let me know in the chat that you have filled. I'm from which state? New Delhi. All right, bye, Sanvi. Filled. Abhishek has filled. I think, Palak, I just answered to that question. Now you can decide. Hi, Avani. Lot many new people over here today. Quickly, everybody join the quiz using this code and fill in your details. And make sure when you're filling the details, it has to be correct. It has to be same what you have been filling for the past few days. Yes? Filled, Rajkishore, Ayushi, Jitin, Yuvraj. I'm going to wait for another 15-20 seconds on the same slide because once I move ahead, you won't be able to fill in the details. And I do not want you to lose that opportunity. Quickly, everyone. Yes, Divyansh, Diya. Yes, everybody quickly join the quiz. Done? Wow, Ritika. In school exams, you got 98%. That's amazing. Sahasra, it's simple. Just go to menti.com. So to join the quiz, it will ask you for a code. And this is the code that's written at the top. 96652641. Once you put the code, you will be able to join it and it will take you to a page wherein you have to fill the details. Shalini, first join the quiz. Yes, Tanishka, I'm waiting. Wow, Diya, 100 on 100. Abhishek Chabra, 100%. You guys, shall I give you my home address? You are actually asking for it. Delhi mein kahan, yahan kahan, wo kahan. Yeah, Mohini, done, yes. Exams have started. Oh. I'm sure that you are prepared for it. Yes, Sanju, quickly join it. Lot many students have joined. Please let others also join in who are new here. Let's wait for another 5-6 seconds. Yes, quickly everyone, the students who are new here, I hope you have joined now. You have filled the details. Fine, Shriyasi, first you come, then we will decide. Yeah? Alright everyone, Dipanjali is done. Neetu, you can also join because syllabus are more or less the same. In math, obviously the concepts remain the same. Doesn't matter if the digits are changed, right? Are we all ready? Yes? Shall we start the quiz? Quickly give me thumbs up in the chat if we all are ready. Wow, last exam. Must be very happy. Alright, lots of thumbs up, smileys I can see in the chat. So, we all are ready to rock, yes? Oh, that's so sweet of you, Diya. Alright, filled. Great. Dipanjali, PMR in Craft. Good evening, Jitendra. I think you have now joined. The students who are now joining in, quickly join it. मेरे और सौरभ सर के साथ ask me anything. Me and Ankita ma'am have already done it. So मेरे और सौरभ सर के साथ. We will plan that very soon. Don't worry. Alright, let's get started. But before I start, an important update. So it's regarding the Telegram channel. So we have a Telegram channel as well, wherein we share the revision questions. And on Sunday, we share some interesting facts, some homework questions, quizzes. And of course, we give you the session updates over there as well. And yes, whatever sessions we are doing here, their session PDFs are also shared over the Telegram channel. The students who have joined, they know that all these things, they keep getting the updates, right? But the students who are new here, please join it. And for joining that, the link is there in the description. It's very simple. Just go to that link, click on that and join the Telegram channel. I know, Palak, I know. This is something जो हम भूलते नहीं हैं. Yes, PM Art and Crafts. It's simple. Just go to menti.com and use this code that's at the top. Hello, Mukesh. All right. So I think we all are ready. So in all, there are going to be 10 questions in the quiz. I can see a lot of cute icons over here. So let's get started. All right, so here we go. So here's the first question. Find the median of the following data set. 12, 65, 3, 8, 23, 64, 19, 53, 0, 24, 57, 15 and 39. We have to find out the median. I hope we all are aware how to find out the median. Like what is the formula? Like first we know that we have to arrange them. Then we find it out. I think I've given you a hint. Because whenever you have to find out the median, don't just straight away do that. Lot many people are done with it. Yes, Rajkishore is done. Dipanjali is done. Ayushi done. And yes, time is up. Alright, so what's the right answer? What happened this time? This was a very simple question. But maximum students were confused. They've given the wrong answer. What happened this time? Was it a tricky one? Or you did not remember the formula? Or you did not arrange them? Okay, look at the solution. First, as I told you, you have to arrange them in the ascending order, right? From smaller to big. And then you count the total number of terms. What are the total number of terms here? They are 13. It's an odd number. So median is basically n plus 1 by 2th observation, which is 13 plus 1 by 2th observation. That's 7th observation. Let's count the 7th observation from here. That's going to be 23. That's the median. Yes? Yes, Mayank, what's the deal today? I am not able to read the entire comment actually. There's a pop-up on the screen, so I can't read the entire thing. But you're talking about some deal, right? If I come in top 3, what do you want this time? Your sister is also joined. That's great. Which grade she is in? Calculation mistake plus silly mistake. It was a very simple question, yes. Only you had to arrange them, then just count the number of terms depending their odd or even we apply the formula, right? Yes, Tejas, you are late. You have missed one question. Keshika, I think you have now joined. Yatri has now joined. Yatri has a birthday today. Happy birthday, Yatri. Wish you a great year ahead. Diksha is also here. Quickly, lot many people are now joining. Intelligence Tech. Quickly, everybody join the quiz. Go to menti.com. Yes, some people are late. We've already done with first question. I'll wait for another few seconds so that they can also join the quiz. Hi, Zia. Zia has now joined. Sorry, Zeenath. Shaurya is here. Grade 6th. All right. Ritika, right. This is what, yes. ये तो सब करते हैं. इस क्लास में ये वाला सब्जेक्ट अच्छा है, उस क्लास में वही वाला सब्जेक्ट अच्छा है. Hi Smriti, hello Jyoti. I think lot many new people are joining here now. Quickly everybody, let's wait for others also, for new people also to join the quiz. Go to menti.com, use this code, quickly join in and let me know in the chat that you have joined. Yes. Keshika, for integers, we have done sessions. We have done concept sessions, we have done practice sessions, and recorded videos are there on the channel. After this session, please go and watch them. Yes, quickly everybody. No. You just have to join the Menti. There you have to type in your answers. All right. Yes, S. Nagendra, you are late. All right. So I think people have joined. So let's move ahead. Let's quickly take a look at question number 2 now. Yes, Intelligence Tech, Abhishek. Tejas, quickly join. You have 8 tokens having numbers from 1 to 8 on them. What would be the probability of getting a token having number 8 on it? Total 8 tokens are there. On every token, there is a number written. 1, 2, 3. Numbers from 1 to 8. All of them have got different numbers. So what is the probability? What is the chance of getting a token that it has a number 8 on it? We just need to know the formula of probability to solve this. Yes, Sanvi. 97 on 100 is actually good. I don't know why you are disheartened. Why are you disappointed? Why are you feeling bad? It's so good. Yes, quickly everybody. Oh, lot many students have given the right answer. That's good. The ones who actually gave incorrect answers, I'm sure that might be a silly mistake or you missed the formula. See, it's very simple. Let's suppose, like in the question, we have got 8 tokens, right? All of them have got different number of them. So total number of outcomes are 8. Favorable one is the only that token which has got 8 written on it. So obviously 1 by 8. Yes? Don't worry, Diya. We will come up with that very soon. All right. See, that's what I always say. Sometimes, obviously, things might not go according to what we expected. So it is okay. See, this is not the end of the life, right? And your scores, they do not decide. They actually don't decide what you, they actually don't, decrease your worth as a person. So it doesn't matter. 97 is a pretty good number. Misclick wale hain. All right, let's move ahead. Let's take a look at question number 3 now. So if you toss a 5 rupee coin in the air, which of the outcomes has high probability of occurring? 5 rupee coin. Does that matter whether I have a 5 rupee coin or I have a 2 rupee coin or it's a 1 rupee coin? Because which of the outcomes has high probability? Head will come, head and tail will have equal probability, or coin will land on its edge every time. How does that make any difference? What do you think? Acha, help kar do fir party maaf. Yeah? Very smart. सारे आंसर सही दे दो, then I'll think about party. Wow, Ritika, smart one, ABCD. कोई भी हो सकता है. Very good. Lot many people have given the right answer. But still, Few students had confusion. Why is it so? It's a very simple question. See, as I gave you the hint, doesn't matter whether it's a 5 rupee coin, it's a 2 rupee coin, every coin will have a head or a tail, right? So when you toss a coin, the outcome which has the highest probability, we know that both the outcomes have got 50-50% probability, equal probability. That's why it's going to be equal for both the cases. Yes. Why, Huckster? Why 1 by 3? Is it from 3 questions you got 1 correct till now? Yeah, Mayank, 2 on 3. That's good. All right, let's move ahead. Time to show you the leaderboard. Goodies ke lalach mein. Okay, so fastest is Bram the Broken, and he's the one who has given the maximum right answers. He has got a score of 2,555. Then Niera, Raj, Rajkumar Gupta, Pramugdha, Maverick, Carl, UV, Earthman, Abhishek. Wow, awesome. That's so good. The people who are there on the leaderboard, they're anyways doing a really good job. And the people who are not there, whose name are not on the leaderboard, it is okay. Yes, that's right. Shriyasi is saying 29, but no problem because I'm unstoppable. That's the spirit. That's you, UV. Study with Yuvraj. Yes, because you joined late, S. Nagendra, right? You missed 1 question. Your sister is in 25th place. That's nice. So formula is favorable outcomes, number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes, Dhruv. Yeah? All right. Let's move ahead. Let's quickly take a look at question number 4 now. Are we all ready? Yes. What is the range for the following data set? This is very simple. 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50. What is the range? I hope you will be able to give the answer in just a fraction of a second if you know what range is actually. How do we actually calculate range? Dhruv, I have answered to your question. Number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Goodies बुरी चीज है. हाँ. Goodies के लिए सही answer दे दो at least. Lot many people are done with it. S. Nagendra. You are adding all them up and dividing by 5. Why? Question is asking about the range, right? I think you people have confusion. I could see in the chat also the people who were typing this. See, range is basically a difference between the observation having the largest value, maximum value, and the observation having the minimum value. So what is the maximum value over here? 50. Minimum also 50 because all the observations are same. So answer is going to be 0. That's a very simple one. Yeah? What happened here? S. Nagendra, I hope your doubt is clear now because you were applying the formula of mean on this. Yes, right, Adhiraj. Tejas, yours is wrong. PM Art and Crafts, wrong one. See, generally what happens is, now that you are coming for the quiz, you are able to test yourself. You are able to analyze. Okay, these are the things where I'm making errors. These are the basically topics where I'm not actually very clear with. So what we should do, what do I always say after the session? Just take a screenshot or you can jot down the questions where you are going wrong. Practice those topics, those concepts from the book after the session. Otherwise I tell you something, ये जो mistakes हैं ये as it is रह जाएंगी. Yes. Unique shorts, all the values are same, all observations are same. How do we find out the range? We subtract the maximum value and minimum value. All are same, so it's going to be 0. Yes, data handling is easy one, simple one. All right, let's move ahead. Let's take a look at question number 5 now. The mode of the data set given below is 13, already given. Find the missing observation. You can see from all these numbers, at the second number there is a question mark. Mode is 13. I hope you all know what mode is. Yes, if you know that, you will be able to guess the answer. It will just take a few seconds to answer this. A very simple question, but just yes, conceptual one. Mayank, easy. Yes, Abhishek is done. Jitendra is done. Unique shots. Yes, answer, obviously, it lies in the question. Yes, correct answer is 13. And I knew that you will make errors over here. See, I tell you something. What is mode? Mode is the observations which have the highest frequency. That means which are occurring maximum number of times. Here in this data, we could see that 9 and 13 are the only two numbers here which are occurring twice, right? So there are two possibilities of mode. Either it could be 9 or 13. But since question itself says that mode is 13, that means 13 is the number which is occurring maximum number of times. So here, this question mark should be replaced by 13 because 13 has to occur more number of times than 9. Right? Yes, mode is equal to most frequent observation. Right, Shreyasi? Correct answer, PM Art and Crafts. Correct. Tricky one. Yeah. Very soon. See, Sanvi, we are anyways doing it. So, I'm sure that you have subscribed to the channel, right? And you are there on the Telegram channel as well. So, you would keep getting the session updates. Like for sixth grade, whenever we have a quiz or we have a session. Yes, Anushka, it's simple. What is mode? Mode means the observation which is repeating maximum number of times. So from all of these in the data, you can see only 9 and 13 are the ones which are repeating maximum number of times, which are repeating twice. But 13 is the mode. So definitely 13 is the mode. So 13 should occur more number of times than 9. That's why question mark should be replaced by 13. Yours is correct. Yes? Quickly, everybody, this is clear? It's okay, Dhruv. It happens at times. So from here, you will be able to judge. Okay, this is the topic that I'm not very clear with, right? Oh, that's good, Esna Kendra, because this is also important, right? Crystal clear. Great. Let's move ahead now. Quickly take a look at question number 6. Yes, Dipanjali Hajra. It's okay, Raj. What is the probability of getting an ace from a deck of well-shuffled cards if the total number of cards are 52 and there are 4 aces in it? Total cards, I hope you all must have played with the playing cards, right? I'm sure that all of you must have seen it. There are total 52 cards and there are 4 aces in it. Anyways, there are 4 aces in it. What is the probability of getting 1 ace? You're from 6th. Still you're able to answer these questions. Wow, Dhruv. Huckster, don't give answers in the chat. Yes, time is up. We can see these are very close. I mean, between these two options, 113, 1 by 13 and 4 by 13. But if you haven't played it, you might have seen them, right? At least, right? See, I tell you something. Cards is something like if you talk about grade 7, grade 8, grade 9, grade 10th, 11, 12, this is a very important topic. And it is asked in higher grades as well. Every year you're going to come across probability. And this card type is very, very important. See, there are total 52 cards. So they are my total number of outcomes. But if you talk about the favorable outcomes, they are the 4 aces. That's going to be 4 by 52. You cancel this out, you get 1 by 13. You haven't seen it. It's okay. Now you can Google it and check it after the class. Yes? Yes, card questions, right, Sanvi, are asked a lot many times. You solved using that formula, yours is correct. See, obviously, formula is important. That is important. You need to know that to find this out. But we need to understand the concept also that when we are talking about 4 aces, so probability of getting 1 ace, so obviously, favorable outcomes are what here? All the 4 aces, right? Nice one. Dice questions as well, right? They are also asked many times. Okay, quickly, let me show you the leaderboard now. How many questions in all? There are 10 questions. We are done with 6 questions already. PM Art and Crafts. Yes, everybody. What we can see here, Yash is the fastest and Raj has given the maximum right answers. Wow, Raj and Yash, really good job you're doing. Harsh, Mayank. Mayank is also there. Khalid Amir, Adhiraj, Udita, Pramugdha, Abhishek and Pushpendra. Wow, everybody. Amazing. Awesome. 4th place. Nice, Mayank. 29 to 5th. Wow, Shreyasi. 21st to 12th, Palak. Great. Very nice, Mayank. Now that you have seen yourself in the top 4, so again you're posting this comment ki ab de dena. All right, let's move ahead. Let's quickly take a look at question number 7. Pramukh 8th place, Palak 21st to 12th. It's nice. Find the range of the following set of integers. You can see this data over here. Now we all know how to find out the range. A couple of minutes before we saw a question on range. We know the formula, but we have to be careful. Now we have got integers, right? and integers to find out the maximum value, the minimum value. I mean, that's the only challenging thing here. And then you have to find out the range, so you have to be careful with calculations. Hi, Gurleen. I think you have now joined. So, Gurleen, I think you know the drill because you have attended the sessions before as well. Quickly go to menti.com and join it. Oh, very little margin we can see here. Correct answer is 25 though. I can see lot many students. I know that you all know the formula now. Highest minus lowest, that's the range, right? But what is the largest integer over here? We know that when we move towards the right of the number line, right, number increases. Towards left, it decreases, right? So on the positive side, which is the biggest number, that's 12. And if you move towards the negative side of the number line, towards the next of the number line, the smallest integer would be minus 13, right? Any doubts in just finding out the largest and the smallest integer? And then we are finding out the range. You have to subtract the minimum value from the largest one. So 12 minus minus 13, minus will add up, right? So 12 plus 13 is going to be 25. Any doubts? Quickly, everybody. Oh, you didn't see 12. You missed that out. It's okay. Between the numbers and calculation mistake. That's what I told you. See, only two things were important here. First is you have to figure out the largest and the smallest integer. This is where you could go wrong. And second one is the calculation at the end. Subtracting confusion, right? Yes, Bhaskar. Don't worry. Now this is clear, right? Now we have understood this. Yes, Ankit, Dhruv, Shaurya, Anushka, S. Nagendra. S. Nagendra, why not 0? Because we are talking about the largest integer. Which will be the largest integer? Obviously, 12 is greater than 0 if you talk about the positive numbers. Right? This is clear. Okay. So, after the session, you can try out such kind of questions so that you don't have any confusion and this will be crystal clear in your mind then. Okay. Alright. Let's move ahead. Let's quickly take a look at question number 8 now. So the bar graph shown below gives the number of goals scored by a football player AJU. Find the difference between the range and mean of the goals scored by AJU in these 5 matches. Quickly, everybody. Yes. S. Nagendra, no. Lowest is not 0. Lowest is not 0 because there were negative integers as well, right? So negative ones will definitely be lower than 0. Palak, no tukka. Now Palak has started like papaya. No tukka. What I always say, try this out. Even if you don't know it, it's okay. After this, even if you give up a wrong answer for 1 or 2 questions, it's fine. After that, I'll show you the solution. I'll explain it to you. If you have any doubts, any confusions, you can ask it. Right? There shouldn't be any confusions in your mind. Time laga par correct. That's good. Alright. So right answer you can see is 0.6 and I can see so many students, yes, they are saying there were confusion. Okay, no worries. It's okay, Karthike. Keep coming for the classes regularly. You will see that a gradual improvement in your conceptual understanding. Yes. See, when we are talking about, look at the graph. Here we are talking about different 5 matches. And on the vertical axis, you can see the scores over here, scored by AJU. So question is asking difference between range and mean. How do you find out the mean? Sum of all the observation by total number of observations. Where are the observations? In the first match, 2 is the score. Second match, 4 is the score. Look at the length of these bars, right? And you can see the corresponding value on the y-axis as well. So first we add them up, divide by 5 because in all there were 5 matches. So that's going to be 2.4. Range is highest observation minus lowest observation. That's going to be 4 minus 1, that's 3. So difference between range and mean is 3 minus 2.4, 0.6. Salman, picture not clear? Why, Salman? This is clearly. I mean, in the question slide, the picture wasn't clear much. Abhishek is also showing. Oh. It's okay. Now you're able to understand this, right? S. Nagendra understood. Abhishek, Adhiraj. Adhiraj, I always say, tukke ka no fayda. It doesn't always work, right? So, let's inculcate this habit in yourself. Ki tukka nahi marna hai. We will try it out. Even if we don't know it, we will try learning it. It's okay. Yes, Khalid Amir, Sanvi. It's okay, Raj. Even if you took more time, that's okay. Shreyasi got it. Palak done. No doubt still here. Samsru, yes. All right. Let's move ahead now to the next question. Question number 9. Yes, Astha. All the very best. I'm sure that you would do really well. So, another question for on bar graph. The double bar graph given below gives the number of men and women visiting a sports complex during last week. Can you spot the day when the number of men was equal to the number of women? The day when number of men and number of women were equal. You can see the blue bars are representing number of men, orange bars are representing number of women. Yes, marks बुरी चीज है. Marks बुरी चीज नहीं है. It's just that marks के एक बार आ जाते हैं, then you start running after such things. Because generally what happens is we're running after getting good scores, right? We're running after ranks. That is not a good thing. I think this is something I keep reiterating on every time. Hit and try, Mayank, yes. Tukka is Papiya ka, right? Papiya does tukka. Mayank hit and try karta hai. That's Thursday, yes, because it was clearly evident both the bars were equal in length. We could see there. Yes, right, Palak. Completely agree with you. So here, can you spot the day? We could see that the bars of equal length here, that was on Thursday. So obviously, Thursday is the answer for this. Your answer is also correct. Tejas, Anushka, Yatri, yeah, Kartike. Kartike, this was simple. सिर्फ ये देखना था number of men and women कहाँ पर equal हैं, bars कहाँ same है, right? All right, let's move ahead now. Let's quickly take a look at question number 10. That's the mantra. That's good. In a cricket match of India and Pakistan, what is the probability that India would win the toss? Again, question on probability. Winning the toss, tossing a coin. I think if you think about it, it's just a question on common sense. And this is something that we have discussed a couple of minutes before also, because we had a question, similar kind of question on probability. I mean, similar concept was used. Super duper easy, right, Dhruv? Completely agree. Tejas done, Raj Kishore, Abhishek is done. Abhishek, please don't write answers in the chat. You know it. Every day you're coming for the class, you know that. We don't have to give answers in the chat. Correct. That's going to be 1 by 2. I think the ones who have given wrong answers, it could be because of misclick, right? I think everybody knew the answer this time. It's simple. So when you're tossing a coin, only 2 possibilities are there. Either you get a head or a tail, right? So total outcomes would be 2 and favorable outcome is 1. Only every time, on every toss, you can get only one thing out of both of them. That's good. 5 on 10. Still you managed to got 50%. You're from grade 6. No, Abhishek, don't do that. Others also get confused then. All right. India ki baat hai to pakka 100%. All right. So this was the last question, a pretty simple one. So we've discussed so many questions here today on probability, on data handling, on graphs, mean, range and all. So what I could understand from here, range, mean, and I mean, these are the 2 topics, and median. These are the topics where you were mostly confused, right? So I would suggest you, after the session, please revise these topics. If you have any confusions in your mind, recorded sessions are there on the channel. You can go and watch them again. India आया तो जोश भर गया. Wow. Okay, let's quickly take a look at last leaderboard. So, what do you think? Who is going to win? Any guesses? Oh, Harsh. Wow, Harsh. Amazing. 8,167 points. Awesome. So good. Great. See, even if you are not, people whose names are not on the leaderboard, don't feel bad, okay? I know that, Esna Kendra, that you joined late. It's okay. Wow. Kashif, 96.5%. That's great. That's okay, Sanvi. She's from grade 6, right? All right. So this was the last question of this quiz, and we have got you covered, and so many sessions we have for you from every Monday to Friday to make you exam ready, because we want you to ace in your examinations. Please send link in Telegram on concept sessions. Bhaskar, if you have joined the Telegram channel, you would keep getting the session updates. Quickly, everybody, whosoever is there, is watching this session. Some people are new here. Have you all subscribed to the channel? Quickly, everybody, if you're liking the session, quickly hit the like button if you're enjoying it. Yes, everyone, I'm seeing that how many of you are actually liking the session. Quickly, everybody. Like the session and subscribe to the channel so that you would keep getting the session updates. And the link for Telegram channel as well is there in the description. Please join it, everyone. Yes, Sulochana. So many new people are here today. Quickly, everybody. Come on, show some excitement. Quickly hit the like button if you're enjoying it and subscribe to the channel as well. And let me tell you what is the next unit test you have. It's basically math final now. It's on 25th July at 5 p.m. So be prepared with your notebooks, with your pens, and practice the questions, practice the topics first. Right? All right. And just a reminder, link for Telegram channel, it's there in the description. Please join it. So many interesting things we share over there. All right, so please like, share and subscribe. Share it with your school friends, in your friends groups if you feel that these sessions are actually helpful. And don't forget to subscribe. So I'll see you soon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.